If you want to make tens of thousands of dollars by just following traders who make millions in profit, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know on how you can start following professional traders who literally lose not a single trade and make millions of profits for their followers. So let's not wait and get started on how to set up your account to make an insane amount of profits. So the first thing you gotta do, guys, is go to the top of my description and click on the partner Bybit link. After you clicked on it, you will go to the Bybit create account page and just create an account using my link, which has my promo code. After you made your account, when you're on the home page, the only thing, guys, you gotta do is go to derivatives and click on copy trading. Once we're at copy trading, we can just start copying a master. Don't worry, guys, in the next part of this video, in like 1-2 minutes, I will tell you exactly which master traders make the most amount of profit. But for now, for the settings, I'm just gonna click the first person because it's easier. So just click on copy. Once at copy, the first thing you actually need to do is get money on your copy trading account. So what are you gonna do, guys? I'm gonna show you in 1 second. So to actually get money on your copy trading account, you gotta do 2 steps, guys. First, you're gonna go to asset spots on the home page. You're just gonna go to your USDT and click transfer and transfer that to your derivatives account. And the other way around, if you want to get it back, you can do the same thing with the arrow. So just transfer to derivatives. So the next step is just going back to copy trading. So derivatives, copy trading, and at the right top, just click on my copy trading. And there you just, what you're gonna do is just gonna click transfer, and then from your derivatives account, you can transfer the money to your copy trading account. So now we got money. The next part is how much money should you do per trade, and I'm gonna tell you the best method right now. So what you're gonna do, guys, is the recommended is that your margin should be 20 times 30 times your total balance. This means if you have a total copy trading balance of 250, your margin should be $10. If it's 500, it should be 20. If it's 1000, it should be 40. If it's 2500, it should be 100, and so on, guys. So just make sure that your total balance divided by 25 to 30 is your margin. So we have 422 so that will be around like $17. Let's just make that. Then your stop loss, don't enter a stop loss, guys. Basically it will just hurt your profits. Some people do this by accident and they just lose money. It's no point in this. The next step is really important, leverage settings. Like just follow your trader leverage settings, because a lot of people, even though copy traders win every trade, lose money because they're too greedy. Don't get too greedy, just confirm. And after you've done everything, you just click I've read and just agree, guys, and you can start copying now. So the next step is how can you find the best master trader? So what you could do is go to master traders with the highest profits and search for them. But I've done the research for you guys. I've been doing this for 2 months and I made a list. So my first best trader is a guy called Blockchain Trader Blockchain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this name. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna show everyone and also how much profit you can make. And then we're just gonna click on him, and here he is, guys. This is actually the guy that I've been following for a very long time now, since he had like 100, 200 trades. And now, guys, as you can see, this guy has 915 winning trades, 906 winning and 0 losses. This is because he has open trades. In the last 30 days, guys, how he made 7% profit, and this is insane because it's not only 7%, it's also 7% on every trade he did of 250 trade. So now the next question is, how much profit can you actually make with copy trading? So here we go, guys. So he had 7% return of investment and he has 250 monthly trades. So if we have a balance of 250 and we do $10 per trades and we would do 250 trades per month with a 7% return of investment, we would make $175 per month. If we had $500, we would make $350 per month. If we had $1,000, that would mean we make $10,000 in trades. That would mean we make $700. 2,500 balance means $1,750. 5,000 balance is 3,500 balance. 10,000 balance would be 7,000 profit with the same statistic that he's doing. Everybody's saying 7% is not much, but it's 7% average on every single trade. And if he does 250 trades a month, guys, you can make so much money. And to show you this is not bullshit or anything, I'm just saying, I've been literally following this guys for 1 month. I start with like $300, and as you can see, guys, I've made total profit $300 as well. The last 30 days, I even start with $300, guys. In the previous vid, I made $163, guys. My balance is actually more because I have open trades. I just still have open trades, and even though this one is minus 81%, I still stick to the trader, guys. As you can see, these are real numbers, guys, but that's not only the master trader I'm showing, guys. I'm gonna show you 2 more master traders and how much profit you can make with them. So the next trader on our list is CEO Jeff Bezos. Even though that's a funny name, this guy knows how to trade. So if we just paste his name in here, guys, we can see CEO Jeff Bezos. What are his stats, guys? This guy is even better. He has 1,146 trades without losses. His performance, if we take the last 30 days, has 8.29% wins. And how many trades, guys? If we take a look at the last 30 trades, he has almost 300 trades. So if we take how much profit just CEO Jeff Bezos made. So CEO Jeff Bezos has, as we know, more return of investment and more trades. So 300 trades with $250 balance, that would already be $250 in a month. 100% your money back. With $500, already $500. Basically, I don't have to say much. This is exactly you would have. If you have $20,000, you would have 20,000 after a month. Not every month goes like this, but the previous month would have gone. And also, guys, if you can see 1,144 winning trade, this guy doesn't lose. But now the big dog as well, the 1,400 trades from the intro. Who is he, guys? I'm gonna show you right now. So the biggest trader on this platform, his name is actually in code, so it was really hard to find him, but I found him just for you guys. As you can see, guys, this is the big one, making 2 million for his followers, has 1,428 trades without a loss. But there is always a but, guys. In the last 30 days, this guy did like 225 winning trades. So if we have his last 30 days return of investments of 3.42, how much money would he have made, guys? So apparently, guys, these are the really important stats. How many trades he does in a month and how much percentage. Always look at that. So as you can see, this guy makes for $250, 78.75. For $1,000, 315. For $5,000, 1,575 in a month. Even though these returns are amazing, and as you can see, guys, statistics of his followers, some people make like 80,000 in a day. Like some people go crazy on these guys. Like some people do it easier. Cumulative cost is basically every trade you did combined. You can make an insane amount of profit. As you can see, I already doubled my money easily. My final tips, guys, is be sure that your balance margin is 25 times 30, because sometimes traders have an open trade, and the more open trades you have and the less margin in your balance, you will lose money. Not lose money, but you will lose the opportunity to make money. Be sure to always copy the leverage of the master trader. Even though you can do it higher, don't risk it, guys, because these guys are professional and they know everything you need to know. Then never cancel a trade even though you think it's risky. You're seeing that's minus 80% trade. I'm not canceling. I had minus 95 and it still went in a profit, and these guys had such low margins as well, and they always win. Then the last but not least, if you're gonna try this method, be sure to sign up with my link at the top of the description to help out my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you did. Be sure to follow me on my Twitter @TheRealDog to know when I post videos, to know when I make crypto updates. Also, if you have any questions, you can always DM me on Twitter. Just follow me and DM me and I will answer all of your questions. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like if you did, subscribe for more crypto content, and YouTube. Until next time.